Abusia mutie me ene da me maye nyina ya kwaba eba Father's Zone eha na ejanom eya yehia na yedi ye ho enkomo ene me wasem soro ho amene wo eba beche na ene eya rehosem ene emu ya bebre asemo amene ebra wo no ene chese asefem se enema sei etumi ekoso ewo ye man no mo oman Ghana mo na nso obia emie na no na wo mmoso obia emie na no na wo nka na media men ni nyina obia ka na no atom na enema yede eba into the news no ense na emfata mame ne wo eni sankomo yi me de beto esoro ha na wo ankasa nso wahwebi na me kan e de free me phone so no wahade because me picking it up from a site no age and regional distribution of teenage pregnancy victims in Ghana 2020 statistics womo hwe se me de batwi no kura me kan se ni se womo hwe e ma Ghana calculate ehu Ghana omo nyanduru omo mfie so se wosenka omo fafuro omo nyinsen na nso omo nyinsen emo franketwa teenage pregnancies ene ade a ene de keka ho omo hwe se adwumadi ne so na omo calculate eme hu se oman ni mo no sei na eye den ekoso no eye the year 2020 results statistics a omo ye no ene omo de abreye no na abusuya asefim bebre ene me no ba be di ho nkomo na teenage pregnancies recorded in 2020 no me boss one wetie me de beto ho nso amwahwe was it girls between 10 and 14 years emofra emma enkola a wo ye ma a wo manya mfie 10 years eba besi 14 years no 10 years o webusunya 10 years eba besi 14 years Mako 2,865 pregnancies and you recorded here. Me say boss of you, or say emofra omanyam fie 10 to 14 years. Mako our recording or hospitals now, and 2,865 and kola omanya 10 years and 14 years and crofo etumi anyem wo papa fo bi etumi anyem wo and merema binom etumi anyem wo aye the bar hospital e ba recorded 2,865 people na say ye ba every 15 years e ba 19 years nso so a e hokra dia sefem 15 years to 19 years now was it 107,023 pregnancies were recorded in the year 2020. 107,000. Now when mumpono pregnancies are recorded ya just a bar hospital ni ya omutumi take records. Now ebusunya oman no ehne e de ko Omayna ehefa na ekuri. I know that this is Father's Zone and ultimately gina show any mema wa bonte wono ne agano mu wa bonte wono say enyamrasem wati sei no ye besrese munyan ne mu ya bebre to have a kolake to when you 10 years as a girl me dwene ho a chese mentiase 10 years to 14 years me pato na ne yefunu no wo henefa me sisie no wo henefo de bekura kola abofra keto a entise ye oberema timi a hwenya mienim ne na da kopem se wasanya nyem no aguso na ne awrahu wo mu ne se yet honum as Ghanaians and nobody is talking about it. Me the way no atosoro honum a obehu se ya twira go so se Joy News, Hits FM, all the media outlets nina they are all aware of this and nobody is talking about it. Nobody is talking about it. The only things we are interested in as a nation, then they say, yes, we conform be diagrada or whatever. Wasachra wabefanyame and no tino na enipa any diachile na ye ka 24/7 who all our news outlets, this is what we are talking about. Are we even serious as a people in this country? Dachi and Mofrano Mobabe and Dachi Amayeno, Hedia Wom, Yen rough for Simon Mabrabo. And nobody is talking about it. Nobody, media outlet, bloggers or whatever, Magrahead, Kodio Sheldon, Miaka Saminia Kokumenu, Omo actors are more Honmelia Brobe Munina. I am adding everyone into it. Nanama McBrown and Mana Mumokradi is so much important to me. So this is going on. Ebiana Monte and Mama Swat. Say Emuaya baby. So this is what is going on in the country, and nobody is talking about it. Dear Nipresia Bekasafa no any Polo. Obia one on the Baba, the Babema a picture, one naked, and then the Babema a picture. And no, a bino and Yamu to moon nipper to Muayama Yanapa could not court. I cannot someone as some Mufrika, some the Kobe 1 year. It is all over the news at Jibbe Biabo, so a young press conference. Now, a Mofra woman feel 10 to 14 years, and Mofra women want to be 2,863 or 65 people. Hospitals are recording. The government is not doing anything about it. We are not even finding the culprits of these situations. One more this saying a man, some more the Bonia and send them Fataway. Why is the government not looking after them? My page is not about politics. My page is not politics in Tina page. It is about fathers. The fathers in the social. Name says I'm afraid Munina no Sabi and yet or Mufiti Yan Benjamin, a papa no and Merriman and Yam, Minu and Yam. And then a sandy power in Munina teacher woman for Muntu. And then a sandy power in Munina come on Massam. Near Jayatu and nobody is talking about it. All the bloggers will be a cannon to nobody is even mentioning it. This is the statistics. That's how Babawa now about Frakitwa. I won't in Rubabiana Fina winning about Frapping winning the age of 10 years. Now, Berema Wabontin or a Jaa Wabontin or Faa Wabontin. As some of the person who sound say, one tea about Frakitwa way, a quite pain a quite pain and a dana. And to my Ghana, you dear young Mransamsa. Prophet Kofi Odro, Unyamishra baby. Papa no nyame nhira ne pa me follow no da metie ne nsem kan o nyame nhira no emre bi na metie na yi oka waka asem bi wo se wo man yi yare wo se wo man yi yare wo se wo yare na me so me yare na me so me de me ho ka me so me yare me no mi na yare se niema we pa e koso wo man no na se nobody is talking about it. All the media outlets them the way to one more we be the statistics na to wa we be say media outlets ni na mainstream media outlets ni na ye aware of it and nobody is even mentioning it. Where are we going as a nation? Entinyawra and yamomo abofra 10 years 14 years na ofra wo ho agya ofra ho as a man no afa abofra ketwa ente se no waye na nyamra sam ente se asanyem no we po the hospitals are recording. The hospitals are recording. If I'm to come here and talk about one to me amfa one man hospitals one and nam so mo ma hwere wo mo nkwa abofra wo ma hwere wo mo nkwa enam sa de we ho a ebe ya bra Woman do a man fee, our woman to me and for man hospital, see Casamuti. Not as I calculate a number, the numbers will be around by 5,000. If I'm not exaggerating. Now, almost so almost 15 years to 19 years instead of being in school. No, so what calculated way now was 107,000 people. Teenagers, rock almost schools are just like that. We are, as a nation, as sick as we are, nobody is talking about it. The Kenyans now, nobody is talking about it. Now, more until once I am moving news, no more WhatsApp, why you news, they send them on me, no, so you can move in as I am in their question. As I said, a blogger be our Bonteho to say the Amifas and Magre have an answer to Sheldon and answer Zion Felix, and I say, Kwakumenu, and I say, so important message we na so omo de ba beto omo page no so no omo share no omo de bremo za mon share e ma wo man no asonte se niam a e koso ne enye papa none of you mu bia de wono mo be share sa message no mu bia de wono mo be share na mom se yakofa nipa bi te se akua pimpolo agrada na hwan ena yi reverend obofo ena obi ni mede we atam ena we yede ensem hunu na menum yenu ne edi akire menum yenu ne edi akire na we oman we yebe menum yenu eno de ye be share eno de ye be share amana ko akire eno ti de bia anso so eno nko na omo de be yede omo de be bere. Why are we not serious as a people in this country? And now you are reposam. So what papa ma renho? So what papa ma renho? Sansa bofra we dey 10 years to 14 years. Na emrantie etimechi woman nyem woman. Near the woman hospitals near the Abra or more lose woman lives. Sisi no wa hefa and your full no e wa hefa what the be kraba, what the be kraba, what the be krani say. And so Chronomobia can what mobia nobody is talking about this. Nobody is talking about this in Yakaya Motum. On Father's zone, Nene, me by Hasa me by Castle, we actually say, Emranti a sham will be Ensanka video. Moment question, I'm a bloggers, will be Ensanka, Obiara Ensanka, no woman come on, my will be auntie. This is sad. This is very sad. This is very sad. Say no mind do. Or my can't say no mind do. These are the ones that were recorded. They are recorded the end number just said, miracle 10 to 14 years. 10 years to 14 years. So the American so my Sami page and your political page. It is not a politics. But say I did be cautious and yeah was in the be man on American because of my mobilia and I'm going to be Cassano. Bloggers or one will be a can what to. This is very sad. Yes, will be a war you crying. So you crying on say and come on Tanya. As someone now tell you one what can I say? The war you crying in the niche. Now say you crying on say come on Tanya. So be Shawan Kasawa Baba 10 years, 14 years, shares her video with movie in Sanka. So we'll be a sober babem 10 years, 14 years. That's what we're getting someone to say ya. Okay, and must have video in simple, you will share it. A jam one more want to one more disagreement when you pa, when you a quite bad that's out of the way more. No form promo or munibi. For 150,000 people. No more just like that. Now all money more just like that. More frank more frank. Reverend Odro, Unyamisha. O Cassim win and I'm a false, so mine. Yare. Yam penny for the young fear then sifon. Near young baby. No minor. Yare. This is Father's son. Aha, and a channel Yeshia, na yedi ya hoya ho enkomo. Aha, eni tutu ya hoya ho fo. Muhu mi ache, foforo ma record bebra eba. E ma mo ran kokra na we dia me de betwa mu keke. We dia me de betwa mu keke. Se be ya wo man ye ni beba ya ho so. Me de tia ya bloggers ne na so se de ekosu nie. Enu nti no mo moden. No mo nkasa. E ma apan ne nti. No mo hunu se nipa wo mu di se aduma we no no. Enye akua pimpolo no ne agrada no. Ene wo se ya go to police station one. These are the people, the country, the nation has to arrest. When no one in the pair was so minor, actually, one go of Yasi, you cover us with every crudum. No crudum, ye young told. Mofra 10 years, 14 years more than your mom, dear Hammer. Moyare. Abusia Bishia.